and I'm very delightful to welcome right now with us, and that is going to be Head Large and Medium Enterprise, Lenovo India, Mr. Aditya Agarwal with us. Mr. Aditya, hi, welcome
Hi.
again. To Cutting Chai. I'm sure you did hear Sumit Ranjan, and it was not one of those regular Cutting Chai story जहाँ पर हम बस काम के बारे में बात करते हैं. It was about an insightful about much more about life, and it certain things Sumit has said, which is clearly an eye opener. I love the explanation of the two boat he mentioned. I love the thought that the skills are with you. It's about how you direct it, how you are narrating it to proceed ahead and achieve more. So with that, I have a quick question. That's a common question. First, let me start from a representative. Aditya, 2021 has been a challenging year. You know about it. We have all gone through the unprecedented COVID times. But 2022, what are the challenges that's going to be faced? And with the new variants coming every 6 months, the fear in a human mind that is dwelling anxiety and much more. So, what is your take on the challenges and about the year 2021?
Yeah, so I'll put my take more on technology because I'm sure there's a human angle, which I think Sumit is definitely gonna cover, right? But from a technology angle, one, I'm hoping that 2022 is gonna be better, right? That it's been 2 years since we have all been locked up, and I'm hoping it is better. So the challenges that I see is that before the whole corona era, we had work from office, and now we have work from home, and somehow this hybrid needs to work better, right? That how do we make the work from home and office happen at the same time, right? How do we manage this is a technology. And second is going to be whole thing on security. We are seeing a lot of incidents. We are seeing that how do we, when we manage this, how does the whole security piece play out? But if you ask me, the biggest thing that we are going to see, at least in work, is how do we make work from anywhere happen? People are used to it now. They want to work from coffee shops, they want to work from homes, they want to work from offices. How do we make it happen in a secure and seamless way? That's the challenge. Of course, there's a health challenge which will always be there.
Absolutely. I think I like how you mentioned, what, how people are getting used to different places to work from and about health challenges. I think that's part and parcel of life. It starts with it, it ends with it. So, Sumit, your take on challenges as Aditya gave us a tech front industry prospect. What is your perception towards the year 2021 and what is that we need to be prepared for in the upcoming years?
Okay, so initially when the corona started in 2000 back in 2019, uh, we started we took so many initiatives about like when we saw so many people are losing jobs because there was a situation of panic everywhere. Even in my factory, we had so much of loss. We encountered so much of loss because our staffs, basically the workers which were working there as a mechanic or as a technician, they all fled away to their hometowns, and this was some of the very big challenges that entire industry was facing initially. There was no such culture about work from home, or even the hardcore manufacturing work cannot work like that. Uh, even I saw so many people were facing issues, including for their day to day activities. Even so initially I gathered over 127 household women's together, and I gave them a task of making COVID face shield initially. Like I got the initial order of making the face shield from DRDO, and then like after that I started um making the face shield by myself, like with as the initiative of Kosarian, and we gave the face shield to various district magistrate to distribute in their district, and so over 127 women's got at least employed for the duration till the corona lockdown was corona lockdown happened. So in that duration, all those 127 women made over 70,000 face shields that we
Wow.
distributed in the local authorities and to the government departments. And after that, to their husbands. We took over 60 people, like the number was around 58 or so. So we took over 60 people, and we started making COVID testing booths that we installed in all the government hospitals of Haryana, because doctors were so much impacted in the initial stage. I saw uh, even when the corona phase was there, they were highly, like scared to go to the hospitals to see the patients. So even the patients who are not affected by corona were highly getting affected by this issue. For those doctors, we installed the booths in the government hospital. So over 300 COVID booths we installed in the entire country. Uh, in the IGI airport also, we installed a COVID booth and facility, so that the tourists that are coming in that duration doesn't gets impacted. Uh, like it got easy because doctors were getting a place in which once they enter inside the chamber, it gets sanitized and corona free, and they were getting a glass a barrier through which they can be checking their patients by inserting their hands into the gloves, and they can be doing all the testing, including corona testing, to all the basic testing, including using the stethoscope, taking the body temperature of the patient, and all the necessary stuffs got very easy with the COVID booths that we developed. So like in 2000 till 2020, we kept on doing this initiative, and we also installed so many corona tunnels in various different places.
Oh,
In
wow.
2021, the need of this decreased because people got like many people got vaccinated, people got so much confident also. Doctors, initially the fear that the doctors were having with themselves, it got all gone, and they started going to their regular schedule, and everything came in balance. Like people learned somehow to live with the disease, live with the virus. So in 2022, what I feel like in the aspect of technology is people are going to be enrolling so many different like stuffs, like software resources and so many different stuffs about managing their business, about managing their work. And even I also like started like using so many different new softwares that were not existing like initially in the if we go 2 years back or so. This kind of changes that we see, like, which are happening right now.
Thank you, Sumit. That's also very true of what you've done, including the 127 women, and achieved a lot more